Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you step by step how to set a photo as your background during phone calls. It's a simple trick, but many people still don't know how to activate it. Stay until the end because I'll guide you through the entire process. Step 1. Open the phone app on your device. This is the app you normally use to make calls. Step 2. Once you're in the call interface, look at the top right corner. You'll see 3 vertical dots. Tap on them to open the options menu. Step 3. In this menu, select Settings. This is where you'll find all the options related to your calls. Step 4. Scroll down until you see the option Call Background and tap on it. Step 5. You'll now see the background option. Tap on it to access the background settings. Step 6. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see an icon shaped like a plus. This icon allows you to add a new image. Tap on it. Step 7. From there, your phone will redirect you to your gallery. You can browse through your photos and choose the one you like best. For example, you can set a family photo, a landscape, or even an inspiring image to personalize your calls. Step 8. Once you've chosen your photo, tap Set as Call Background. And that's it. Your photo has been added and will now appear automatically during your calls. Bonus tip: you can change this photo anytime by repeating the same steps. That way, you can update your background whenever you want. So that's a simple but very useful way to personalize your phone calls. If you found this tip helpful, feel free to share it with your friends so they can customize their call backgrounds too.